250 grams of cooked yellow split peas, 250 grams of soya protein mince, 100 grams of breadcrumbs, 250 grams of strong cheddar cheese, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoonfuls of tomato puree, some smoked paprika, salt and thyme, and 1 egg. I'm going to suggest that you prepare this mixture in 2 batches so that all of the ingredients are mixed together thoroughly. So first of all, we're going to put half of the lentils into a blender. Half of the soya. Half of the breadcrumbs. Half of the onions. What we're going to do is we're going to give it a good pulse. So I'm now putting half of the cheese into the mix. Give it another pulse. What we'll do, we'll take this mixture out and add it to a bowl and add some of the other ingredients to it. Okay, so now I've got the pulsed mixture in the bowl. I'm going to add some of the other ingredients to it. So first of all, I'm going to add half of the tomato puree. I'm going to add also half of the garlic. I'm going to add the egg. You might need 2 eggs because this mixture might be a bit dry and you might need to add all of this. So I'm just going to add some of it. And I'm going to add half of the paprika, salt, and some of the thyme leaves. And I'm just pulling the leaves off. You can just use dried if you wish. I'm now going to use my hands to mix this all together. If the mixture's too wet, you might need to have some flour on hand just to make sure that it doesn't stick. So this mixture is a little bit dry, so what I'm going to do is add the rest of the egg. So you'll need another one when you do the next batch. Okay, so continue mixing until it comes together so that you can make some nice shapes with it. Okay, I would say that's about ready now. So once you've mixed everything together, it should feel as though it will hold its shape when you squeeze it. So I'm just going to show you. This is ready. Put some greaseproof paper onto a board. And you can determine what size you want. These are going to be for a main meal. So I'm going to make them quite a good, generous size. Once you've shaped your burgers to the size that you want, just place them on a board with some greaseproof paper. Okay, just continue until all of your mixture is gone. Half of the mixture makes 4 burgers. What you need to do now is just continue the process until all of your mixture has been used. All of the burgers have been shaped now, so we're going to put them in the fridge to rest for 1 hour. The oil needs to be hot enough so that when you put the burgers in there, it sizzles. So we can put about 4 at a time into the pan. And then we will fry these for about 4 to 5 minutes on either side. Once the burgers have been cooking for 4 to 5 minutes, they're ready to turn over. They should be nice and golden brown. Turn them all over and continue to cook on the other side for 4 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to take 2 of these lovely burgers and put them on a plate, which I'm going to serve with a nice fresh salad and some sweet chili mayonnaise. Ooh, yeah.